fight them, when the other one beats the other one, they still hug each other. What's that? Yeah, so we can beef and do all that. But when somebody achieves something great, yeah, Charlie, we follow it. This is a big recognition for Ghana music, I swear. Yo, it not be easy to do a song with Beyonce on Beyonce's album. What's that? This is big money, this is big fame, big everything. So, Charlie, this thing, some go touch every other Ghanaian artist. Because now they go turn their eyes on Ghana. What is this country producing? What, you know? So you people, Charlie, for be happy for Shatta, Charlie. Yeah, for be happy for him. No matter what the situation people you there and they, yeah, me, I think say Charlie, me and nobody get problem self again. Because Charlie, having problem with somebody self be problem for you yourself. What did I say? So you don't have to wake up thinking about somebody or checking what somebody has said about you. And your problem, cry, will be one can Charlie. Then how you can, you know, break boundaries. What I say? And yen tamping kwan ye share tram yen. In Sukra yen no me try. Yo, I see you people, Charlie. Ebe and then man for Jimmy. What I say? Kofi Banks, the way me too, I feel you, I see say all the time, you know, you are circulating on Facebook and yo, you be Swedro guy where they say, Charlie, you too, they support the movement for Swedro, Kofi Banks. Yeah, Charlie, God for bless everything you do. Or the Sheba Berry. Or me, I don't care whether the video is whatever, there is a video. There is a video, whether the video was short or not short, there is a video. So you people forget about the no shoot the video or the massa, there is a video. What are you people talking about? Hey, Charlie, in America, when they say Beyonce in name, it be big. Oh, Beyonce, even in America. So for somebody from Ghana, where somebody where we know, to do something with Beyonce, massa is big. Forget about whether they shoot the video in Omanchanne or they shot the video in whatever. It's a video. It's a video. You people all know me. If me, I spend my time defending this success for Shatta, then you people for no say, Charlie, for stop the susupon and Charlie push each other. What I say, there is a video. That's all me. I want. That's all I care about. The other things I don't care. Yo, also and 2 answer for you alone. Bra correction, Munier. I see you people. Gabriel Buame, Samuel Lamptey, Vincent Kwakumanu, Charlie Rich Biscuits.